what's up guys, it's me Omia from iTech Everything and welcome to the Magic Keyboard 2 review. So as you can see, I have the Magic Keyboard cap right there if you can see, and it's been a while since it was launched. So it was a product from late 2015 and currently it's 2020. But I have used it for an year and a half and I feel like I should make a video on it. So let's begin. So this is separately available for $100 in the US or 8,900 rupees in India. This isn't the best deal, but as I got it with the iMac, so I have it. Now I do love the design and the keys of the keyboard. It has a scissor switch mechanism and works pretty good. It is nice and decent key travel, just like the newer MacBook Pros and iPad Magic Keyboard. Also, there are barely any keyboards out there which are as thin and efficient as the Magic Keyboard, which also makes the Magic Keyboard 2 more stand out. Now, the Magic Keyboard 2 design might not appeal to everyone, but it does appeal to me. It has a pretty good thin design, which is very lightweight as well. And this is very comfortable to type on, and I have the one without the numerical pad. It is pretty compact and small, you could say, and I love it. The body is made up of aluminium, whereas the keys and the back or the bottom is made out of plastic. And the bottom also has a nice little Apple logo carved onto it. I also like the white keys on the Magic Keyboard, and I would also like those to be there on the MacBooks and the iPad, like the iPad Pro Magic Keyboard. Also, I would like to have an option where the keyboard and the case is completely white on the iPad Pro Magic Keyboard. We can also use this as a wired keyboard with a Raspberry Pi or Windows computer with a lightning cable. And also this is a mind-blowing battery life. And after I bought this in December, for 6 months I did not charge the keyboard at all. With around 4 hours of average screen time and editing of Final Cut Pro, I was around 10% battery life left, which could even last longer. This might seem like a joke, but it really isn't. I used to edit in Final Cut and watch few videos. Now let's talk about the improvements that can be done to this Magic Keyboard. So I would hope to see these things in the Magic Keyboard 3 or at least the Magic Keyboard 4, if they even do that, because this is pretty much good right now and it's been there for about 5 years and it has a pretty modern design. And as far as I'm concerned, I don't need these updates, but that would be a good touch. Now Apple, I would request you this thing. Please add the backlight to this Magic Keyboard, as it is going to be really helpful. Like mostly in the darker environments is very useful. Also the backlight is like an aesthetic too, so I actually like that. Also as a suggestion, I would like to have a model or a version which we could opt for with the Magic Keyboard with a touch bar, as I've really been enjoying the touch bar with my iPad. So I've been using the iPad as a touch bar for my iMac, which is a great option actually, and you get a lot of customizability and more user friendly. And yeah, I do like the UI on the touch bar and more things which we can do using it. Also the volume control and brightness control is pretty good on the touch bar. We can access spotlight and other things. Also we get a good option for the emojis. So it's actually kind of turning to a touch bar review, but it isn't. So yeah, I will like these features in the upcoming Magic Keyboards, but the Magic Keyboard is pretty decent. Like it might last as a modern design for the next few years. And yeah, I don't think Apple needs to update it, but it's not necessary, but we would like to have it. So yeah, this was the review. Hope you enjoyed it. Please consider subscribing, share it with your friends who really need to buy a new keyboard. And yeah, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Peace.